Happy Monday, CVVA families. I am here to invite you on a special educational excursion that CVVA is planning just for you. I know that many families are eager to provide that social interaction for their children, and they're really looking for creative ways to do it. So, we came up with the idea of inviting you along on an educational excursion, and our first one is planned for 2 Fridays from now on September 24th. It will be to Lake Tobias, a wildlife park here in Pennsylvania. Our educational excursions are completely optional, and transportation is provided by your family. So pack a picnic bag, throw in maybe a book bag or some layers, and decide to meet us at Lake Tobias at the Wildlife Park on Friday, September 24th. The park opens at 10 a.m. and closes at 3 p.m. that day. You can decide to stay as long or as little as you'd like. Our CVVA staff will be there at the beginning, at the entrance, and we'll have a pavilion area too that we can kind of use as a home base. But ultimately, this time is really an opportunity for CVVA families to meet each other, engage with each other, learn and explore animals, and really just connect with each other. We know that relationship is at the center of what we do, and relationship means time spent together. So we wanted to provide an off-campus opportunity for any CVVA families that are interested. The cost is $12 per person. Children under the age of 2 are free. So if this is something that you're interested in, I'm going to go ahead and provide a link to a form. It'll provide more specific details. But again, we really just want it to be simple. Bring your family members, invite those loved ones along to come with you so that it is a memorable experience. We want to provide connection for your children, and we want to do it in a creative and healthy way. So consider joining us for our first educational excursion to Lake Tobias on September 24th. And if this doesn't suit your family schedule, we certainly honor that and know that there will be more coming in the future. Have a fantastic rest of your Monday.